Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, I came across your YouTube channel and I'm hooked," with 3 exclamation points. Thank you so much for sharing your amazing gift. You are absolutely welcome. I'm getting married soon and I came across this tall centerpiece. I love it, but I'd like to recreate it incorporating navy blue, ivory, and fuchsia. Can you help? Thanks, Yvonne. Yvonne, not only are we going to help you, we're going to show you how to do it step by step. And also show you a quick tip on how to create that smoky look on a vase for not the smoky cost. So with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Tall Spring Fuchsia Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So we're going to use this 24-inch PILSNER glass vase for our centerpiece. I just created the smoky look by standing about 12 inches away from the vase and lightly spraying it. You can spray as many coats or as few coats as you like to obtain that smoky look for a cheap price. Well, Yvonne, what do you think? So simple, yet so beautiful. We love how it turned out and we hope we met your vision for your special day. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and we will send you a notification the moment our videos are live. You can also send us a comment or ask us a question right there in the comment section below. We are here to answer your questions and we absolutely love reading your comments. They inspire me every day to go that much further and be that much better. So thank you for all of you who take the time just to say, Miss Planet, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, if you would like to, you can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, if you haven't already logged on and gotten your Ebates, well now it's Rakuten, so your Rakuten account, what are you waiting for? It's absolutely free money, especially with these deals after the holidays. Don't miss those extra rebates. It's very simple. Either go down to the description below, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your qualified vendors, and make your qualified purchases, receiving a check at the end of the month. Also, don't forget to check out all of our planning tools that we have in our MissPlanetShop.com. It's there for you. So many of you have said that it's been very helpful. A lot of you are loving the Maid of Honor planner. I know it's a lifesaver. You can give this to your Maid of Honor and it gives her step by step all of her duties with all of the organization tools she needs to be an awesome assistant to you, the bride. So be sure to check out all of that. In addition, if you would like to hang out some more, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, and hang out with us at our Miss Planet Home channel. We just launched it not too long ago, and I am absolutely loving being able to share with you the projects I'm doing around my home, as well as the home of my family and friends, and just hang out with you some more. So if you haven't checked out our new home channel, head on over to our website, which also has awesome blog information, as well as written and picture posts of every project, all there for you at your fingertips for you to use. Another thing that's at your fingertips are the links to the supplies for our projects. Remember, they're right below in the description. All you got to do is click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and you will see all of the links for all the supplies for our projects listed there for you for your use. You don't have to wonder where we got things from or where we found things. We have all the links right there for you so you can use. In addition to that, we have the projected project costs so you can have a plan, you can have a budget. That's what we're all about. Giving you the plan, you take it and you make it your own. We are so grateful for all of you who spend this time with us. We are almost to 100,000 subscribers, which kind of blows my mind. It really does. And I just want to thank you for all of you who take the time to subscribe. Those of you who come back and watch every week, we so appreciate it. And remember, if there's a project that we can help you with, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, or go into the links and click on the project request link and follow the very simple steps. I ask you, do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast, so fast. And I absolutely hate telling anyone no. So if we can help you, sign up sooner than later. All right, guys, I've truly enjoyed spending this time with you. And I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.